welcome students to the Rashmi's classes. Today we'll discuss on topic the living world from NCERT Class 11 Biology. The living world in detail, including the characteristics of living organisms, binomial nomenclature, and taxonomic hierarchy with examples. 1. Characteristics of living organisms. Living organisms have several characteristics that distinguish them from non-living things. 1. Some of the main characteristics of living organisms are: 1. Cellular organization. All living organisms are made up of one or more cells, which are the basic units of life. 1. Cells carry out all the functions of living organisms, including metabolism, growth, and reproduction. 2. Metabolism. Living organisms require energy to carry out their life processes. 2. They obtain energy through metabolic processes such as respiration, digestion, and photosynthesis. 3. Growth and development. Living organisms grow and develop over time, as a result of cell division and differentiation. 4. Response to stimuli. Living organisms respond to external stimuli, such as light, temperature, and sound, in order to maintain homeostasis. 5. Reproduction. Living organisms have the ability to reproduce, either sexually or asexually, to pass on their genetic material to the next generation. 6. Adaptation. Living organisms are adapted to their environment, allowing them to survive and reproduce in their specific habitat. Examples of living organisms include plants, animals, fungi, bacteria, and viruses. 1. Binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature is the system of naming living organisms using two Latinized names, the genus name and the species name. 1. This system was developed by Swedish botanist Carl Linnaeus in the 18th century. 1. The genus name is capitalized, while the species name is not. 1. The two names are always italicized or underlined when written, and the genus name can be abbreviated after the first use. For example, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens, where Homo is the genus name and sapiens is the species name. Another example is the scientific name for the common fruit fly, Drosophila melanogaster, where Drosophila is the genus name and melanogaster is the species name. Binomial nomenclature has several advantages over common names, including its universality, stability, and precision. It allows scientists from different countries and languages to communicate effectively about organisms, and it reflects the evolutionary relationships between organisms. 1. Taxonomic hierarchy. The taxonomic hierarchy is a system of organizing living organisms into groups based on their characteristics and evolutionary relationships. 1. The hierarchy starts with the most general category and proceeds to the most specific. 1. The main categories of the taxonomic hierarchy, in order from most general to most specific, are: 1. Domain. 2. Kingdom. 3. Phylum. 4. Class. 5. Order. 6. Family. 7. Genus. 8. Species. For example, humans belong to the domain Eukarya, the kingdom Animalia, the phylum Chordata, the class Mammalia, the order Primates, the family Hominidae, the genus Homo, and the species Homo sapiens. Each category in the taxonomic hierarchy is based on certain shared characteristics that distinguish the organisms within that group from those in other groups. The taxonomic hierarchy helps scientists to understand the relationships between different groups of organisms and to classify them in a standardized way. In summary, the living world is characterized by several features that distinguish living organisms from non-living things. Binomial nomenclature is a system of naming living organisms using two Latinized names, while the taxonomic hierarchy is a system of organizing living organisms into groups based on their shared characteristics and evolutionary relationships. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.